Welcome to my channel guys. Enjoy the video.
स्टार्ट हो चुका है. मजा लो, चिल्ड वाटर राफ्टिंग, फॉरवर्ड पैडल, कम ऑन. गुड, नाइस.
This video is gonna be fun. Enjoy.
डरो मत भाई, आप डर के मारे अंदर इकट्ठे हो गए हो. थोड़ा स्ट्रेट होके बैठो. आपसे सही तो अंकल कर रहे हैं. बढ़िया. कैमरे की तरफ देखो, हाथ हिलाओ. कैमरे की तरफ देख के हाथ हिलाओ.
They're not looking at the camera at all.
Enjoy time is coming.
The turbulence was extremely high and the raft was going up and down. Famous Beas River, which originates in the Rohtang Pass, which is in the eastern Pimpanjal range of Himalayas. This river is also known as Vipasha River in some parts of Himachal.
Come on, forward again, forward, very good. Enjoy time. Okay,
So this is the raft, which is an inflatable boat that we ride, and we ride through the rough waters and rapids. As you can see, this rafting is also known as whitewater rafting because the frothing effects of the rapids and the guzzling river, which makes the water appear white. As the raft was going up and down, we were laughing, giggling and enjoying the waters. The trainer was really very experienced and he knew it very well what to say and what to do at the right time. The amazing view of the valley sides and the fast movement of the river seemed that it is in its youthful stage. Was really very beautiful, and this was the place where the water was very calm. And my ma and papa was enjoying the water and the trainer was helping them out. Huge sparkling of waters. Trust me guys, the person who sits in the front as I was sitting enjoys the most because you can see the waters coming and hitting you hard. This is an adventure sport guys, but it is advisable that it should be done with an experienced rafter or trainer. This is not completely advisable for the children because swashing, banging and brushing and especially smacking up the rocks can lead to a lot of danger. You can always go up to for rafting, but it has to be very clear in the mind to listen to the experienced trainer as and when required. Oops, my mom was into my papa and putting water on him. Based on the cost, you have various levels of rafting. It can be easy mode, it can be difficult mode and it can be medium. And it also depends upon how many kilometers you want to do it. We chose 12 kilometers. This place is quite famous in Kullu where we chose to do the rafting, and it is also licensed by the Himachal government tourism. So when you travel to Manali, you can see a lot of places where they actually take the tourists for rafting, but make sure that you go and choose only the places where you have the licensed one, even for paragliding. It's around 40 kilometers from Manali to Kullu, but as you can see in the river and the swift movement of the river, so 40 kilometers is none for this young, fast-flowing, turbulent river. And now the most exciting part starts. I was the first one to go into the water, and guess what happened? I almost fell into the water unknowingly. Please make sure that you know swimming because it is not advisable to go into the water until and unless you know swimming and you have a confidence on yourself. I went, my father went and our brother went. But my mom was in real trouble. She was worried to see us into the water. Guys, make it very sure that you do all these things with the advice of a trainer, not alone. After some time, the trainer pulled us back into the raft. Though I didn't want to get up, but I had to. And then, see what happens. Me, who is always overexcited. Lifetime memorable experience it was. This is how I experienced river rafting. Tell me guys how it was. Thank you guys for watching my video. Comment and let me know your views. And do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Bye bye till the next video.